Today I'm going to show you how to take off a washing machine panel. I spent way too much time and frustration struggling with this on my own, so I thought it'd be good to make a video. Okay, let's get to it. Start by unplugging your machine. Then we're going to need to take the hood off, so you'll have to remove 2 screws.
You're going to want to pull out and then bring it up. Some washers have it where you have to put a putty knife underneath there to pop open a pin. Then get your screwdriver in here. Take out these. Now, press down this clip and pull up. Now just press this forward and rock it back.
Now all that you need to do is rock it back and then pull straight out. This is when things get a little bit tricky. It's all about aligning things the right way. My next video clip will show you exactly how to do that.
Make sure that doesn't get caught. When you go to set this in, there are 2 studs that correlate with two openings. And that bottom lip right there is going to set underneath this. So down there. Slide that lip under and get it on the rails down there, and then tilt it forward without smashing these lines. Now you line it up with your bracket here. Now it's time for our brackets. You just hook this in here, pull it snug, and press down firmly. We'll do that one more time. You just take your bracket, hook it under, press firmly. And this one's bent so it doesn't pop, but you get the point. Okay, now we fold our hood over. I find it's best to lift up, and then it should come on over. Now for our screws.
Well, I hope that wasn't too bad for you. I hope you feel empowered and confident to go into your next project and do something else that you didn't think you had the skills to do. So stay tuned. I've got a lot of great videos coming up in the future to make you a little more handy.